Leave it.
Stay. Good boy, stay. Wait, don't step in front of it. Get him.
Hey, you two. Easy.
That's funny. She wasn't letting him stay up here either.
No, she had to get down.
You're so weird. Walk! Walk, you're gonna fall! Good boy. Walk, bud. You gotta walk, buddy. Walk, buddy. Good boy. Walk. You can't sit. Walk.
He's following.
Hi, should we do it again? No? We're gonna wash you off again. Is that okay? No, she says. Okay, are we all done? No. Head up. No. 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 At the bus. Come on. Let's go.
Come on. Luna.
For a dog, they go like this. And so he's got to just barely tick it.
Uh-huh.
When he does that, he can move it forward. But he can nose it up to it.
Oh, he got it. Oh, I got it on video.
Can I do it? Oh, I hope nobody finds me licking this because it tastes so good. I just don't want to share with anybody, and I hope nobody finds me. In here. So that's how she gets her tail. She pulls it back, gets her legs through, kind of like undressing she's doing. Yeah, I was right. Look, she's lifting up her leg.
Yep. It's pretty neat.
Can you see it?
Yep.
He did. He just let it go so she can play with it.
Can you drop it? Drop it. What do you got in there? Oh, that looks like one of Maddie's little banana things. Where'd you find this at?
Over the mountain, over the hill. Yeah, he's a rocker now, man. I'm a rocker, yeah.